All right. So now let's look at some few questions about the team builders free traffic rotator, right? Now, because I get that questions a lot from most people, right? They want to find out about the team builders traffic rotator. Now, what is it? Now, this is an opportunity for most marketers out there to be able to earn high ticket commissions, right? And to be able to do that easily, we offer the traffic, right? So we have a team that offers free traffic. Now, if you notice something online, one of the biggest problems out there is ability to get traffic, right? That's one of the biggest problems. Most people don't know how to get traffic. But with the free traffic that we are offering, now they are able to build their business, which is powerful, right? Because the whole essence of all these things is for you to build your online business. If you check out right now, many people are not making any money online. They are having a lot of challenges. They don't even know how to generate traffic, right? They don't even know how to, even though we teach traffic so much, many people are still stuck. In fact, most of the time when I speak to people, it's not about joining the business that is always their challenge. Their biggest challenge has always been is how do they get traffic? They keep asking me that question. So that's why when you come to when you join our team, right, what we do for you, we just give you the traffic for free. You know, part of our traffic, we share it with you so that you will start seeing visitors to your website. You will start seeing leads and hopefully sales, right? Now, how do you join the Team Builders free traffic rotator? Because that's the question. Because a lot of people come, they want to join. Look, the answer is simple. Look at the name, Team Builders. You have to work with that name first. Team Builders is one of the high ticket programs of the OLSP system, right? So that means you cannot join our free traffic rotator if you are not a team builder with OLSP. So that's that, right? So that means you have to have gone to OLSP and become a team builder. Then you can now join our exclusive free traffic club, right? Because that's what it is. It's a free traffic club. So you can now join our club. So if you are not a team builder, this is not for you, right? This is not for anybody. Now, if you are joining the club, of course, you have to join through somebody in the team. Now you're listening to me. So that naturally means you have to join through my link. You don't just go to the OLSP and join Team Builders. You actually join through my link, right? So that you can be in this team and be part of this Rotator club, right? So the way it works is this. There's a link in the description above in this program, in this video. You click that link in the description, or you go to my profile and click the link there, right? And then you join Team Builders through my link. Because you have to appear in my back office as a member of Team Builders, right? Before we give you this traffic that is going to be more expensive than what you are even going to pay for Team Builders, right? Because we are going to keep promoting your link, sending in high quality traffic. So now listen carefully, because OLSP has hundreds of thousands of members. And some people are you want to make sure that you are in my team. And the only way you do that, let me tell you frankly, is to make sure that you are using what they call a brand new email address, right? Don't use any email address you have used before. Make sure you get a brand new email address if you really want to join this team. That's my suggestion. Because even though you go through my link, you could end up joining another person that is not offering this service, right? So what you really want to do is to use a brand new email address that you have never used before for any other program. So that the reason I'm saying it is simple, because I've got some people, they will tell me, Victor, I'm in your team, and I go to the back office, they are not in my team. And they are like, I'm in your team, and you can't change it. Because there is a structure of OLSP. You can't change it. You can't move from one team to another. So what you want to do, use a brand new email address that you've never used before, and then you click on my link, and then you join my team in the OLSP Team Builders, right? Now, once you have become a team builder, now you can, in fact, let me tell you how I love team builders a lot, you see. Now, when you join team builder, they're going to set up everything for you, right? Because you get a lot for joining team builders in the OLSP. You get a full software, page builder, video site builders. You get a free autoresponder. So you get all these things for free, which is even worth more than the cost you pay to be a team builder with OLSP. Now they have all these people that will set up your account, set up everything for you. So after they set up everything, they are going to give you your link. They give you multiple links, but they will set it all up for you. So that link is what you are going to bring to me. So you will get the link to me, and I will now add you to our team Rotator traffic. It's powerful, right? So I will start promoting your link for you. All right. So it's not a plan to make you lazy, because you also, when you are a team builder, you get all this training that shows you how to promote. But we are going to start off your business for you, because we are going to be sending high quality traffic to your link. Okay. Now, the second question, or rather the third question before I'm done right now, is this. Now, many people ask, why, even though we are team builders, why do we promote the mega link? I get that question a lot, right? Why do we focus on the mega link? Now, I'm going to tell you why we focus on mega link in the free traffic rotator, right? This is it. Now, some of those leads, they don't know you, right? Some of them don't know who you are. So you want to get the opportunity of building a list also, right? So when we send those free traffic to you, as they put in their name and email through your link, they automatically become your lead. This is powerful, right? So they become your lead. So technically, you joining us in the free traffic rotator, you are actually building your list for free. Because we do all the spending, we invest in the traffic, and then we give it to you free of charge, right? Now, as we send those traffic to you, your list is being built. Now, it's easier to build your list with the mega link. That's just the reason, right? Because people easily afford the mega link. But this is where you benefit mostly if you are a team builder. Now, as a team builder, you earn 200% commissions. Do you know what that means? So you are earning 200% commissions anytime those leads convert to sale. right? So you get 200% commissions. That's powerful because you are a team builder. Now, that's not all. Now, everyone that joins your team, also, whenever they make sales, you also earn second tier 200% commission. So you can see that you make more money when you are a team builder. And because you make more money, it adds up very fast. But that is not even all right? Now, this is why we love the team builders, right? Now, remember, we give you traffic for free, and hopefully some of them convert to sale. You make 200% commissions every time they convert, but that is not all. Now, those leads automatically are in the OLSP system under you. Now, the OLSP high ticket system is a complete done-for-you system. So the OLSP does all the follow-up again for you, right? So that's why we don't focus a lot on, that's why we just promote the mega link to you, for you, right? Because the OLSP, they also do the complete high ticket selling. So you don't have to worry about that, right? So what do they do? Once we have generated leads for you in the system, which you will see, right? It's not going to be like you don't know. You're going to see your leads. Now, once we generate those leads for you for free, some of them, like I said, are going to convert to mega link sales, so you make 200% commissions. Then the others are going to be followed up by the OLSP, right? So they will send out emails on your behalf for life. They do it for life. They keep sending out emails promoting team builders for you. How do they do that? They keep inviting your leads to webinars. Every day, almost every day, they send them one message, one information, and then they are inviting them to webinars, right? Now, once your leads go to those webinars, and then they convert them to team builders there, and then you now make those high ticket commissions, $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per sale. So they do that for you. So that's why we don't bother to focus on that, because the system is built to do that for you. It's so powerful that they even have what you call the phone call team in the OLSP. Like, I don't call anybody, and I still make high ticket commissions. Now, why? Because they do that. They focus on converting the leads to high ticket sales. And they have so many programs in their high ticket levels. So it's easier for you to now make $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. So this is why we focus on getting the mega link sales for you, getting you those 200% commissions, and let the system get you the $500 commission, $1,000 commission, or even $2,000 commissions per sale. Is that not powerful? So you can see that this is the best online opportunity you can get your hand in. So it's almost 100% done for you, right? Because we do part of your traffic, and the OLSP do the other things for you. So this is powerful. All right, so that is the question, and that's where I'm going to stop today. If you have other questions, you can either private DM me, and then we talk about it, all right? And look, if you are ready right now and you want to start making those high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale, and you don't know how to generate traffic, or you are not generating enough traffic, and you want to join our private community, right? Where we work with you and give you free traffic, to build your business for you, with you, So what you want to do, go to my link right now in the description or in my profile, click that link and join the OLSP Team Builders. Okay, like I said, make sure you are using a brand new email address you've never used before. It's very important. I keep saying that in most of my video, because don't come back to me and say, Victor, I joined your team, but you are not in my team. So we cannot offer you these thousands of dollars of free traffic that we have. We can't give that to you, right? Because you are not in our team. So you want to make sure you are in the team. And the only way I know that you can do that without a problem is to use an email address that is working, that you have never used before. Okay, this is important part of the question. This is very, very important. Go to Gmail, create an email address that is working, that you've never used before, and that is the kind of email address that you are going to use to click on my link and join the OLSP Team Builders. All right, so guys, with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.